You can order the lower cover valance used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn off your engine and set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. In order to change the lower cover valance on your vehicle, you need to remove the front bumper. To do so, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Front Bumper Ford F150. We will show you the different steps and parts to remove so that you can take off your front bumper. You now need to separate the valance from the front bumper. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. For easier access to the screws, you can remove the metal brackets from the front bumper. However, this is not mandatory. You can now see the 15 screws located on the lower cover valance. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, you can now remove all the screws. Don't hesitate to spray some penetrating oil on these screws, as they are typically locked in place by rust. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, squeeze the clips holding the license plate holder. Then, remove it. Finally, perform the same steps on the two clips that hold the lower cover valance on the front bumper. You can now separate the front bumper from the lower cover valance. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the clips that hold the lower cover valance in place so that you can reinstall them on the new one later. If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. You can order the lower cover valance used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new lower cover valance. Replace the retaining clips on it. Replace the front bumper on the lower cover valance. Then, reattach the clips. Reinstall the license plate holder. You can now screw back in the 15 screws that attach the front bumper to the lower cover valance. You are now done replacing your lower cover valance. You can purchase the parts we used here by visiting our website at CarParts.com. Now you can reinstall the front bumper. To do so, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Front Bumper Ford F150. Operation complete.